The 140 ice breaking tug that you're on right now breaks ice one of two ways. Either what we call the hinge effect, where the vessel rides up onto the ice and the weight of the vessel collapses the ice, or we're able to generate enough speed that our wake actually follows behind us, and as the trough passes underneath the ice, the weight of the ice itself falls into the trough and it breaks.
Thanks for watching Door County Pulse. Don't forget to subscribe. That way you get our videos as soon as we upload them each week. And check us out on doorcountypulse.com.